right, we're here on day 4, getting ready to put the wall metal on and install the doors today. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the metal all spread out, get the holes punched, get it ready to go. Then I'm gonna wrap it and we'll start putting metal on. So side walls, you just take them and put them out. It's 40 foot, so it's almost 14 pieces. So I got 14 pieces per stack. I'm just gonna square them up the same way and line up my bottom, make sure that's lined up before I punch it or punch the holes in it. And that's my system spits out these sheathing drawings, and it's just 9'10" all the way down. And then this is where it really comes in handy. This is for the front here and explains where each one goes with the length. And the back one, the back one's just solid, so it just steps up a foot. Since it's a 412, it's 4 per foot, so 4 inches, 4 inches, 4 inches is a whole foot. So it's pretty simple. But you can use these to pretty much tell you exactly where each piece goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start stacking these out. And I would always recommend putting them on blocks too, especially if you got rocky. That way you don't, rocks and stuff, so you don't make dimples in the metal. So yeah, and then we'll go ahead and mark them out, just like the roof metal. Make sure your bottom is all stacked good. Yeah, we'll mark them off and punch holes in them, and then we'll put the wrap on and we'll metal. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started on the wrap here. I already did the tops of the gables, so I get it in behind my F&J trim there. So here, I'm gonna go ahead and do the gables, my bottom 8 foot, then on the walls, I'm gonna use my 10-foot roll and do it in one shot.